How to draw rose? For those who cannot get their hands to do wonders in making their first rose, we'll draw with a basic simple rose. The first step, we'll draw a spiral in the center of the page. So all I'm trying to do is draw a spiral. So with this spiral, we now proceed to step number 2. Extend a petal on the one side of this spiral. So from here to here, mark 2 points, draw a petal. Next step, we'll add another petal to the opposite side of the spiral. So like this. Similarly, we'll add third petal on the bottom of the spiral line, joining to form petal shape, something like that. And with this, we'll add small detail in the center of the spiral of the rose, like this. We'll finish the detail. Then here we'll add a small petal. Then we'll add few more petals. After this, we'll create a leaf on the either side with small midrib. So to do that, draw a line. So after drawing this line, draw leaf, and on the opposite side also draw a midrib, then the leaf. So with this done, we'll now color it. I'll be using red color. So to begin with, start coloring the line. Apply more pressure on the edges to get effects. First, fill in the petal uniformly. As you can see, I have filled in the color. Then near the corners, apply pressure when you are stroking. So this gives somewhat effect to the picture and it makes it look like a realistic sketch. So keep doing this. Hope you're enjoying coloring. This is fun. Rather than sketching, coloring is very easy. That's what makes it fun. So we are working on the last petal. So there we go. Once we are done with coloring the rose, we now move on to the leaf. First shade it uniformly. No need to apply effect when you are shading initially. Then darken the edges and the center. Just overdid it. Similarly, color the other leaf. Darken the edges. And that is how you draw a rose.